The wait for something truly exciting in the smartphone world continues, and all eyes are now on Samsung's upcoming tri-foldable phone. After the rather predictable launch of the iPhone 16 and the somewhat underwhelming Galaxy S25 reveal, tech enthusiasts are hoping that this new form factor will bring something fresh to the table. Earlier this year, during the Galaxy Unpacked event in January, Samsung gave us a glimpse of what's to come. Among the lineup of devices, an outline of a tri-foldable smartphone was spotted, all but confirming its existence. Now, more details are emerging about this device, and while it's generating a lot of hype, it looks like it won't be available everywhere. According to a well-known industry tipster, Samsung's tri-foldable will be limited to select markets at launch. Unfortunately, there's no concrete information yet on which regions will get first, but given Samsung's cautious approach, this move isn't all that surprising. Samsung has already planned a very limited production run for the tri-foldable, mainly because it doesn't expect massive demand due to its high cost. This is a strategic decision likely influenced by what happened with the Huawei Mate XT, which saw its price skyrocket to nearly unreachable levels. Samsung probably wants to avoid a similar situation and gauge interest before committing to a full-scale launch. However, there's still some hope for those who want to get their hands on this device. The tipster suggests that Samsung is keeping an open mind about a global release. If the phone performs well in the selected markets and sees strong sales, there's a chance it could become a more widely available product in the future. But availability isn't the only thing that has people talking. One of the biggest concerns with foldable phones is the crease, and unfortunately, Samsung's tri-foldable isn't bringing any major improvements in that department. Reports indicate that the crease visibility will be similar to that of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. This is likely due to the increased complexity of a tri-folding mechanism. Unlike traditional foldable phones, which have a single hinge, a tri-foldable requires two hinges and multiple folding points. This makes it significantly harder to improve the crease while maintaining durability and functionality. So while we are getting an innovative form factor, it seems that a flawless, crease-free display is still out of reach for now. That being said, the device will share some design improvements with the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7. The most notable change is expected to be in the frame, which will likely be stronger and more refined. Samsung has been steadily improving the durability of its foldables over the years, and it makes sense that the tri-foldable would inherit some of those upgrades. Another interesting design choice involves the camera placement. Reports suggest that Samsung will place cameras in the center of the phone, possibly meaning that the middle screen will have a more centered photography angle. This could be a game changer for users who rely on their foldables for content creation, video calls, and selfies. Additionally, the tri-foldable is expected to feature the same ringed camera design as the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Let's just hope that Samsung doesn't take inspiration from the Galaxy S25 series when it comes to camera aesthetics. It has the potential to go global, or will it remain a niche product? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to like this video if you found the information helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest mobile tech. We'll be keeping a close eye on the Samsung tri-foldable and bringing you all the latest news as it unfolds. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Launching the Galaxy S25 series today in San Jose, California, marking the debut of three exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail boxed images surfaced, showcasing the lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no in-box charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste. Among the colors revealed, the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Samsung's bold design choices are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature S Pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The base Galaxy S25 model offers 128 GB of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12 GB across all base models. For storage options, the lineup includes 256 GB as standard, with 512 GB available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra's design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray for the S25 Ultra. Exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production costs and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256GB models. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost Galaxy S25 512GB, 1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus 512GB, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra 512GB, 1,858,600 Korean won, $1,281. These prices are competitive given the global use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is Galaxy AI, included free of charge through 2025. This advanced AI capability enhances user experience by offering features such as night video with audio eraser. This innovative tool allows users to capture stunning videos in low light while reducing both video grain and background audio noise. Samsung has also upgraded the selfie cameras for lifelike skin tones and textures, ensuring top-notch photo quality. The Galaxy S25 lineup also introduces varying battery capacities to suit different needs. Galaxy S25, 4,000 mAh, Galaxy S25 Plus, 4,900 mAh, Galaxy S25 Ultra, 5,000 mAh. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, bundled within the box. For display enthusiasts, the series offers impressive screen sizes. 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the S25 Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the S25 Ultra. The Ultra also leads the pack with a 200-megapixel main camera, and all the other models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's ecosystem features are also highlighted in the Galaxy S25 series. Smart Switch makes it seamless to transfer data from your old device, while Samsung Digital Wallet provides a secure hub for credit cards, boarding passes, and more. For Galaxy users, daily news briefings will deliver morning and evening updates on weather, top stories, and other essentials. What's your take on the Galaxy S25 series pricing and features? Are you excited about the design, performance, or AI capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to reserve your Galaxy S25 through the link in the description to take advantage of exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets, and turn on notifications so you'd never miss a future upload. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey Samsung fans, the moment we've all been waiting for is almost here. The Galaxy S25 series is set to be unveiled at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. But here's the deal.